Hello, my name is Michaela Madariaga, and this is my submission for the 2021 Congressional App Challenge. I created the Easy Budgeting app, which I created with the purpose of providing an easy way for committees or individuals to manage their finances and at no cost. So I created it specifically with the PTSA, or the Parent Teacher Student Association, in mind, because they are given a strict set of guidelines that they have to adhere to when managing their money, and currently they're having to use these overcomplicated budgeting websites that they have to pay for. And so I wanted to create this alternative option for them to be able to just fulfill their basic needs while also being free. And so some specifications about my app: I created it using Eclipse and Java, and then I created a basic GUI to complement the console program. So this is my app pulled up to its main screen. So we can see here that we have 3 different tabs across the top. This one is budget categories. So this is where you can add the categories of your budget. So if I were doing this for the PTSA, our first one might be membership. And then you can choose how much money you want to allot to this category per month. So we'll start out with $100. And then you can keep on adding categories as long as you need. So this one will just be teacher appreciation, and we will say $50. So then once you've added your categories, you can move on to making transactions. So your options are making a deposit, making a withdrawal, or making a transfer. So you can kind of see here what those look like. Make a transfer is just between categories. So we'll just practice with making a withdrawal from teacher appreciation. And we'll say the date was October 30th, the amount was $30, and maybe they bought gifts for the teachers. So then we can submit that. Transaction was successful. So now if we go back to budget categories, we can see it reflected in how we only have $20 left of the 50. And then if you go to bank statements, you can load the history and see all the statements that you've created or the transactions. And then the last thing is you can press save here. And then when you open up your program again, it will have saved all your changes.